Good morning, students. Today we are going to continue the same chapter of Akbar, where we are going to learn about the literature. Now, as we are going through, we studied about this social and cultural achievements, where we studied about various reforms that were brought about, called as the Sati, prohibition of Sati system, then legalizing certain marriages, child marriage, abolition of child marriages. Okay. Then educational reforms that we studied, where we studied about the translation of various important books into various other languages. Now we are going to go through the literature part, that is the literature or the writings. Now in Persian was the regarded as or considered as the court language of the Akbar's period, which was most probably used by the upper classes, and the Persian literature was encouraged by the Mughals. Now there were people who held important posts in the court of the Akbar, where like Faizi, who was the brother of Abu Fazl, was Akbar's poet literate and one of the greatest Persian poets of the Mughal times. Now Abu Fazl was one of the important member of the court of Akbar's. Now because of which he was recognized and given an important task of writing one of the biographies which is in regarding to Akbar, which was later known as the Akbar Nama. Now, Hindi was also used in the Mughal courts, and Birbal was one of the important poets of during the Akbar's time. Now the Ramcharitamanas was written by Tulsidas, who was one of the important features of the greatest Hindi authors of those times. And Akbar, as he was quite little bit illiterate about various different other languages or other religion, so he wanted to know more about different languages, so he constituted a library which consisted of about 24,000 books. Okay, and here it is written that it had various different religious books, administrative books, which illustrated the power of the empire and the various different writings of various different times. About the paintings that were most probably brought about the feature of the Mughal period, it was stated that the Mughals made major contribution to the Indian art, and there was a large number of painters attached to the library. They spent most of the time in illustrating manuscripts, that is the small kind of scripts or written handwritten scripts, and the most illustrated form of various different activities through paintings was done through the miniature painting. Here it's mentioned as miniature painting. One of the examples given here as this picture, if you see, it has a miniature painting which states about the court of Akbar, how the activities or the activities of the courts takes place. Now the architecture, if you see, it has its own structural thing where various different important constructions were done during the Mughal or the Akbar's period. Now the creation of the Humayun's tomb was done by some of the architects of the Persian architecture, and it is one of the tourist attraction till now, where people, whenever they visit these places and they visit Humayun's